Knowing how to find your history in Google Chrome can be a very useful skill for both teachers and students. I'm going to show you how to reopen closed tabs so you don't have to have any worries whether you accidentally close a tab you meant to keep open or you have to reboot your machine and you need all your tabs back. So let's go. Let's start with reopening a closed tab. On occasion, you might make a mistake and accidentally close a tab that you meant to keep open. You can get that tab right back with a 3-finger keystroke. It is Control-Shift-T. The T is for tab, and when you hit Control-Shift-T, that tab that you just closed will come right back open. Now, what about all your tabs? For example, you might need to reboot your device, or let's say your Chromebook died. So let's just go ahead and close Chrome. Now, I'm sitting here on a new tab and I really want all those tabs open that I was just working with. So I'm going to go over to the 3 dots. I'm going to go down to History and across, and you will see where it says Recent Tabs. Whoops, let me go down again. Recent tabs, and then your option is to restore the window, or you might see the message open all 6. Either way, click it, and there are all the tabs that you just had open, and the world is a better place. Here's a little bonus tip for you. You can search in your own history. So if there's a site that you want to go back to, but you didn't remember to bookmark it, but you do remember the name, you are in good shape. Go to History again, 3 dots, down to History, and then click on the history, the word history at the top of that menu. Once you're here, type in the name of the website or the article that you are trying to get back to. And there's everything here that I had been on that starts with the words Teachers First. So I can get those things right back by clicking on it. Have a great day, and remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.